Alright, hello YouTube, this is the 42-inch unknown ceiling fan at my grandpa's house. There's some nice stencil blades, and this is the original light globe. Blades are really mangled, don't know how that happened, probably hit the thing up top, this attic fan. This one's a little better. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to, when I do get around to fixing it, I'll probably measure the distance between the ends of each blade. Like, on like a 45-degree angle, add it up and then divide by 4. Figure out which two are in right alignment. Alright, here goes. Here's light, 100 watt, and start off on low. Now this isn't a very good, it's a lot slower because it's got a lot of wind resistance because one of the blades is really mangled. So it's not real fast. Right, next speed. Medium. It's got these really nice little pull tabs here. I like the design. They're made of plastic, but they're still kind of nice. You like pull them. I don't know. It's just kind of nice. But yeah, I don't know what kind of fan this is. It's got pretty good bearings. Flush mount. The fan is shaking a bit. Just don't want it to hit the thing up top, the attic fan. When I got here, a piece of tape had fallen or come undone, so this blade right here was holding that corner up. Alright, that's the fan. I mean, I don't really know what kind of fan this is. It doesn't have any labeling anywhere. It's got some cool stencil blades. But yeah, it comes pretty close to hitting up top here. Maybe about 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch. That's about all that's in between. The rest of the blades is alright. But yeah, if you guys could tell me what kind of fan this is, that'd be great. Alright, bye.